Tired of lag ruining your Free Fire matches and costing you booyahs? I'm gonna show you how to use Exitlag to potentially smooth out your gameplay, and the best part, try it out absolutely free. First, head over to the Exitlag website. I'll put a link in the description for you. Look for the Start Free Trial button, usually prominently displayed. Click on that. You'll need to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure you use a valid email because they'll send you a verification link. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Exitlag. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you can download the Exitlag software. Find the download button, usually specific to your operating system Windows. Click it and let the download finish. After the download completes, run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Exitlag on your computer. This process is pretty straightforward. Just keep clicking next until it's done. Launch Exitlag. Now, in the Exitlag search bar, type Free Fire. Free Fire will appear in the list. Select it. Exitlag will then automatically choose the best server routes for you, or you can manually select different routes if you prefer. Experiment to see what works best. Now, launch Free Fire. Hopefully, you'll experience smoother gameplay and reduced lag. Remember, the free trial has a time limit, so make the most of it. If it helps, consider purchasing it. Good luck getting those booyahs.